In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop all notifications from Quora in Gmail. If your inbox is constantly filling up with Quora emails and you're tired of clicking delete over and over, this walkthrough will help you clean things up quickly and properly. First, open your web browser and go to the Quora website. Make sure you're signed into the accounts that's sending emails to your Gmail. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Quora home dashboard. This is the main page where you see your feed of questions, answers, and topics. We won't be doing anything here just yet, but it's our starting point. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile photo or your initial in a small circle. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with different options related to your account. From that drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page. Give it a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. The settings area is where you control how Quora behaves for your account, including privacy, language, and of course notifications. Once you are on the settings page, look for the section called Email and Notifications. This is usually listed in a menu on the left side or as one of the tabs across the top, depending on how the layout appears for you. Click on Email and Notifications. This is the key section where you can tell Quora exactly what you do and do not want to receive in your inbox. Now, you'll see a long list of different types of email notifications that Quora can send. These might include things like new answers to questions, recommended questions, digest emails, activity from people you follow, and more. To stop these from reaching your Gmail, you need to turn off each email type. Next to each email notification category, you'll find a toggle or switch. When the toggle is on, it usually appears colored or to the right. Click on the toggle to switch it off. Work your way down the entire list, turning off every email type you do not want. There can be quite a lot, so take your time and scroll carefully to the bottom to make sure you've covered them all. Once you've turned all those toggles off, Quora will stop sending those notification emails to your Gmail, helping keep your inbox much cleaner and more focused.